Are you broke, but you are still dreaming of making money online? That is a good thing. That's where I want to start with today, guys. I started with no capital, no shop, not even a laptop, just my smartphone, free Wi Fi, and my data, and also a hunger for a change. And today, I earn passive income every single month and even weeks through what? Drop shipping. And the one funny thing is that I didn't even spend a dime to start it. I don't even have a physical shop of my own, right? So you want to really know how I do this. I'm going to show you the real step-by-step process, okay? No fluffing, no hype. Just make sure that you stick with me to the end, and I promise I will show you how to join the same sales group that helped me to start completely. Now, first of all, you need to really understand what this dropshipping is really all about. Now, dropshipping is when you sell products you don't even own. You don't buy inventories. You don't store items. You don't ship anything. You simply become the middleman between a supplier and a customer. Now, think of it like this. A customer orders a product from your online stores. You send that order to your supplier directly. Then the supplier ship it to the customer. And then you keep the profit. Simple, right? But you need to do this right, because if not, you're going to encounter in fact, a lot of challenges on the way. Now, step one on how you can actually start a drop shipping business is you need to first of all choose a niche that sells well. Now, I started with what I knew how to do well, and that is what I went into men and ladies footwear and also handbag. Ladies footwear, men's footwear, and handbag. You understand? But then you mustn't pick what I pick, right? The reason why I pick this is because this is something that sells every day. These items are eye-catchy that sometimes when people see some of these things, they can hardly resist it, okay? But if you don't want to choose or go into the same thing I do, you can actually pick anything here, okay? Now, this is how you can actually do this. First of all, you need to go to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, and maybe type on maybe products you can sell. If it is maybe homewares, clothing, fashion, beauty, or whatever, you can type and search on it. Then look for those ones that people are always buying, like there is massive sales in it. Okay, so see what people are hyping up things. You understand? So you need to go into whatever people that are really looking out for. Then, when you must have seen what you're looking for, ask yourself this question: is this product light, non-breakable, and emotionally triggering? That is good. So when you must have considered this, go ahead and pick a niche and stick with it. Me, after much consideration, I picked that ladies and men's footwear and also handbag. Now, when you must have gone through all this first stage, the next thing you should do is to find suppliers. And for you to find a supplier, you don't need any capital, you don't need any money. All you need to do, in fact, this is what I do. I went into market survey. Yes, I went into market survey since my interest was selling female and men's footwears and handbag. I went into the market, go around to different kinds of shops that deals on men's and ladies footwear and also handbag, precisely Turkey brands and some part of China brands. Okay, so I went to their shops, look around to what they are selling. I didn't go for second hand. I went for new and already made. Okay, so I went into their shop, have a one-on-one talk with them. I told them, okay, I'm interested in dropshipping a business, and I found out that this is what I really want, and you guys are into it. So when I finished having that one-on-one talk with them, I told them that please, I need their contacts, their WhatsApp contact or Telegram contact, depending on wherever they are posting their items. So they went ahead to give me their WhatsApp contacts, and also they added me immediately. Now, I didn't stick to one shop. I went to the next shop, like 3 to 4 different shops. I picked numbers, they added me to their WhatsApp group, and then that is it. Okay, so, and to join some of these WhatsApp group, it is very, very free. So that was how I joined them, and they started updating us with products every day. And that is where some of other local suppliers post their daily updates with products. They also post their prices, sizes, and options. No upfront payment. Just pick, post, and profit. So when you post all these things, people that are interested in your content can, pick interest in whatever you're doing, and they go ahead and make their payments. Then the next thing you should do is to build a store for free. No shop needed. Okay, forget about paying upfront and all of that. This is how I started my own from 0 naira. Now, after they added me to their group, I went ahead to create my own group. Yes, I went ahead to create my own group. So in that my own group, I started posting and adding people from Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, and all of that. So I started adding people there. And when I add people there, when I get update from the main supplier, I post it directly there. Then add my own gain to the initial price that the item is being sold, right? So when I add my own initial gain, then I'm gonna post it there, post the sizes of the footwears, and the prices of the handbags and all of that. So that was how I started. I didn't just actually end there. What I do next is I upload products and optimize. Yes, I go to, I use my, what is it called? I use Canva to started designing my products. I designed my products, started posting it on Facebook and all of that. So that is it. Then the next thing I do is I market it like a pro. Yes, how do I market like a pro? I didn't go for adverts. I did nothing. All I needed to do is to join other WhatsApp groups, and I started, sharing my link to them over there. And some of them that are interested started joining. Also on Facebook, I promote my products there. I start selling my footwears there, my handbags, and all of that on Facebook pages, stories, and feeds, and even timelines. Sometimes at some point in my life, I started also posting on TikTok and Instagram as well. So that was what I did. I joined like 10 to 15 WhatsApp Telegram groups that is related to my niche, okay? And I share value-packed tips concerning my products. Sometimes I even go ahead at DM people directly and, politely offering what I sell to them with discounts. And also I post every day on these my social media platforms. If you have my WhatsApp contact, there is no each day that you come to my WhatsApp that you're not going to see updates there on my WhatsApp status. So that is what I always do. Now, another thing I also do is I collect orders and forward to suppliers. So when people if someone is interested in the shoe that I post, all the person need to do, just tell me the size you want, and if the size or color is available, I will tell you that it is available. Then you make your payment. And when you make your payment, I don't even need to leave my comfort zone to go and bring the shoe and deliver to you. All I need to do is to send the money to the main supplier, then send your address or location to the main supplier, and the supplier will be the one to deliver your product to you. As simple as it is. You understand? So once someone pays, immediately I place the orders to the supplier. And some supplier can even offer cash on delivery, although that is not in my dictionary, but I don't do that. Some people do. So you can actually start even without receiving money upfront, depending on whatever you want. Now, steps on how you can do this is that some customers pay or agree to COD, that's cash on delivery. This part is very, very risky. So I wouldn't even advise anybody to stick to cash on delivery. No. You understand? So you need to let the person pay. As you pay, you collect your items, right? Though that is what I basically do. And guys, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, if I calculate the gain I make on selling these men's shoe and ladies what is it called? The amount of money I have made, the amount of gain I've made so far is unimaginable. Simply because of what? I chose that particular niche that goes well with me. And the rest became history. I don't even need, up till now, I don't have any shop. You understand? All I need is my smartphone. All I need is for me to have constant data or Wi-Fi in my phone. And I'll keep posting, and people will keep buying from me. So I'm not here to sell your dreams, right? I'm here to show you proof. I started with nothing, no money, no shop, and zero experience. That is the truth of the matter. All I have is just my phone and a belief that I must make something out of this. Now, if I can do this, you too can also do it. All it takes is action. You just need to take an action. So I'm going to urge you to join my free sales group where I drop products, suppliers, and daily tips that help me to grow from zero to real passive income earner. So I'm going to drop the link in the description button. The link will lead you and also direct you to my WhatsApp sales group. So in that WhatsApp sales group, all we sell there is on wholesale price. And all of them are all Turkey products. If you see these shoes and bags, you're going to fall in love with it. And I believe that if you start posting it, you're going to make something out of it. So do well to click the link in the description box. The link is going to direct you to my WhatsApp group, to my WhatsApp sales group. Okay, so you can start promoting and making sales. This business is actually good for stay-at-home moms. Those women that their husbands doesn't want them to work, you just stay at home and take care of children. Gone are the days when women sit idle at home expecting the man to always bring money. No, these days women has grown. Women has, wisen up. They have started doing something, a lot of things for themselves. So instead of you to stay at home answering Oga's wife, stay at home mom without doing anything, dropshipping business is actually for you. You don't even need to leave the comfort of your zone. Just send your orders and the main supplier will deliver it to whichever destination that you want it to be. Okay, I don't want this video to actually get longer. Make sure to click the link in the description box right now. Sports are limited. Don't miss your turn. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss another free money making tutorial. Thank you for always coming around. See you guys next time.